Hey, it's Roger. I'm on location in Holcomb Woods. Look at that great little cabana, pool house and pool, and the back of that Pikewood, which is the Taylor Morrison ranch home that's very popular down in Bent Creek. What do you think, Jack? We're going to take a tour of Taylor Morrison here at Holcomb Woods. We're up in Harrisburg. They've got two great models. One of them on the right there is that very popular, very beautiful Pikewood model that's got that second story upstairs with just kind of really nice looking balcony upstairs. But my partner Rodney was here not long ago and he said, hey, you need to come up and check out the Essex 2. You need to shoot a video. So Jack and I came out to say, hey, let's see what's going up in Harrisburg. They've got some specs that are available right now, priced in the $430 to $460-ish range. Now they do share the neighborhood with Ryan Homes. Just to be honest with you, I am a big Taylor Morrison fan, not a big Ryan Homes fan. You can call me and ask me more about that. But this house provides a lot of value. And notice, you've got 8-foot doors, a little powder room there to the right. And as everybody wants, and it comes to expect, the wide open, great room floor plan from the kitchen that this Essex 2 really delivers on. And here's something else that you get with new home construction that you typically are not going to see with a resale home that's got more than a few years on it. It's got a beautiful guest suite right on the main level. And I'll tell you what, that sells it for so many people. Many of you have aging parents and you're thinking, hey, I want to move to Charlotte. I want to relocate, but I'm thinking about leaving my parents back in Pittsburgh or Seattle or San Jose. And to be able to have a really nice guest suite on the main level could really seal the deal for you. And not only that, it's not just a guest bathroom, but it's an ensuite with a shower that you can get right here in the Essex 2. So you come out of this guest suite and you're right here in the main living area. You can imagine if you had kids getting off the school bus and you wanted to have your grandparents, their grandparents here. Oh, Jack's giving it the Mo, Larry, Curly Joe test. He likes it. He likes it more. You know, being able to have your aging parent living with you rather than in a nursing home somewhere, it's got a lot of appeal. And again, there are a lot of builders that are offering a guest suite on the main level, but this one is an ensuite. And what that means for you is that you've got plenty of room up here and they've got their own space down there, and that's money if you ask me. Now, notice the size of this master. Really good looking. Really big, really spacious. And so you can imagine that you're just enjoying the beauty of being up here at the end of the day, beginning your day. Nice soaker tub. Of course, you can build it without that. A lot of people don't. Plenty of room on the closet space. I don't even want to take you in there and tempt you on that so badly. And again, hardwood floors even on the upstairs. Plenty of light coming in on that landing. So here's a bedroom, obviously staged for a young lady. That's the second one up here. There's a guest bath for them. There's a bedroom for another child or returning college grad. And these are coming in really priced nice. I'll tell you what, Harrisburg is a really neat area. If you've ever been downtown Harrisburg, it's kind of a drive-through. It's very cool. Very close to Concord, which has a very cool downtown. But look at this. This is, of course, they decorate it so nicely. But a great media room, family room. Give me a call at 704-345-3400. I would love to be your buyer's agent and help you with new homes here in Harrisburg, just up on the northeast side of Charlotte. I can't wait to talk to you soon. 704-345-3400.